Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This one, the steakhouse boiler, the cooking machine. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the unit's entire length, it's about like a 36 inches wide. And for this tray, they are about like a 3 inches additional wide. And the overall height about like a 57 inches tall. And the depth of the units, include the back, the gas connections, is about like a 35 inches deep. As we can see the units, we have two controllers at the front. One is controlling the heating for the grills. One is for the stick areas. And we also have the drip trays at the front. This one will be easier for you to clean all the stuff dirties. And this tray, you can pull it out. And also you can push this handlebar to adjust the heights because you have a different size of the sticks and maybe thinner or wider. For this tray, the cooking area, they are about like a 21.5 inches wide and almost like a 23.5 inches deep. And also we're having these dust trays, and when you're cooking on the top of the area, and every day when you finish the cooking, you can clean out the dust to this box, and they can simply to remove and clean out. For the cooking area, these griddles, they are about like a 28 inches deep, and also about like a 35.5 inches wide. We're having all the information stickers on the side of the units. The units is NSF ETL sanitation approved, and all the cut sheets information on the side. For the pipe connections, everything details you can see from here. And let's turn around of the units. For the back side of the units, we have a gas connection right here. And the bottom wheels, they do have a lockers on it. This will be all information about our products. And if you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.